Hey guys, it's Brad on Ted here, and today we're back with another episode of Cooking in the Kitchen. So I know I didn't do my last episode of Cooking in the Kitchen. It was a very long time ago, and I wanted to make another one. So today we're gonna be making some orange juice. Now to make orange juice is pretty simple. You're gonna need an orange and like a mug. Mugs are pretty easy and oranges are pretty easy. Both are pretty easy to find. You might also need something kind of like a knife that has a fork, but you know what I mean. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have this, or you want to take the orange and you're gonna make it kind of squishy. So give me a second. Also, before you start to, kind of massage your orange, you might want to wash your hands. So yeah, make sure to wash your hands before really massaging the orange. So after you've washed your hands and you made your orange really, really squishy, you want to take a knife and you want to cut into it. So then you've made like just a little tiny line in the orange. And then you want to go above your cup and you want to squeeze the orange. Whoops. You want to squeeze the orange. Make sure you're getting fresh orange juice. Yeah, look at that fresh orange juice. And yeah, guys, your orange may look a little squished, but it's all part of the process. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video on how to make orange juice. You might want to take that little part out. Also, get some paper towels, hold up. So yeah, guys, here you have some freshly squeezed orange juice, which is fresh to drink. And also you can have some orange if you're that kind of guy. But yeah, guys, this has been Cooking in the Kitchen with Bread. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in a new video. Goodbye.